Hey there, welcome to this mystical exploration of the Maha Kumbh Mela, the largest spiritual gathering on earth. I'm thrilled to take you on this journey through one of the most awe-inspiring events in human history. Imagine this, millions of people from all walks of life, coming together to celebrate, cleanse, and connect with the divine. That's the Maha Kumbh Mela for you. Taking place once every 144 years, this grand event rotates among 4 sacred locations in India: Haridwar, Allahabad, Prayagraj, Nashik, and Ujjain. But what makes Maha Kumbh Mela so special? It's not just the sheer scale, but the profound spiritual significance behind it. According to ancient Hindu mythology, the gods and demons fought over a pot of nectar, the Amrit, which grants immortality. During the battle, 4 drops of this nectar fell onto earth, blessing the 4 locations where the Kumbh Mela is held. When you step into the Kumbh Mela, you'll witness an ocean of saffron-clad sadhus, saints, and devotees. The air is thick with the scent of incense, the sound of holy chants, and the vibrant energy of faith and devotion. People take a holy dip in the sacred rivers, believing it cleanses their sins and liberates their souls. One of the most captivating aspects is the akharas, monastic orders of sadhus who display extraordinary feats of endurance and devotion. These spiritual warriors live lives of intense discipline and renunciation. Seeing them is like stepping into a living history book where ancient rituals and timeless wisdom come alive. And it's not just a spiritual retreat. The Maha Kumbh Mela is a cultural extravaganza. You'll find vibrant markets, exotic foods, and traditional performances that offer a glimpse into India's rich heritage. It's a feast for the senses and the soul. So why should you experience the Maha Kumbh Mela? Because it's more than just an event. It's a transformative journey. It's about connecting with something greater than ourselves and finding a sense of unity and purpose in a world that often feels fragmented. The next Maha Kumbh Mela is not just a date on a calendar, it's a call to awaken your spirit. Whether you're a seasoned spiritual seeker or just curious, this is an experience that will leave an indelible mark on your soul. So, are you ready to embark on this mystical journey? Join me, and let's discover the magic of the Maha Kumbh Mela together. Thanks for watching, and may your path be blessed. End.